Addition and subtraction. $200 plus $300 equals $500. $450 minus $150 equals $300. $700 plus $200 equals $900. $1,000 minus $400 equals $600. $350 plus $250 equals $600. $600 minus $100 equals $500. $800 plus $150 equals $950. $900 minus $300 equals $600. $100 plus $200 equals $300. $500 minus $250 equals $250. What is the sum of 130 and 320? The sum of 130 and 320 is 450. What is the difference between 520 and 120? The difference between 520 and 120 is 400. What is the sum of 47 and 53? The sum of 47 and 53 is 100. What is the difference between 800 and 450? The difference between 800 and 450 is 350. What is the sum of 999 and 1? The sum of 999 and 1 is 1000. What is the difference between 300 and 125? The difference between 300 and 125 is 175. What is the sum of 500 and 475? The sum of 500 and 475 is 975. What is the difference between 950 and 700? The difference between 950 and 700 is 250. What is the sum of 28 and 19? The sum of 28 and 19 is 47. What is the difference between 88 and 44? The difference between 88 and 44 is 44. Multiplication and division. 8 multiplied by 2 equals 16. 50 divided by 5 equals 10. 12 multiplied by 3 equals 36. 100 divided by 10 equals 10. 25 multiplied by 4 equals 100. 81 divided by 9 equals 9. 15 multiplied by 6 equals 90. 120 divided by 12 equals 10. 20 multiplied by 5 equals 100. 72 divided by 8 equals 9. What is the product of 5 and 6? The product of 5 and 6 is 30. What is the quotient of 49 and 7? The quotient of 49 and 7 is 7. What is the product of 8 and 4? The product of 8 and 4 is 32. What is the quotient of 36 and 6? The quotient of 36 and 6 is 6. What is the product of 7 and 9? The product of 7 and 9 is 63. What is the quotient of 81 and 9? The quotient of 81 and 9 is 9. What is the product of 10 and 12? The product of 10 and 12 is 120. What is the quotient of 100 and 20? The quotient of 100 and 20 is 5. What is the product of 6 and 7? The product of 6 and 7 is 42. What is the quotient of 64 and 8? The quotient of 64 and 8 is 8.